In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Framer plugin. If you've ever wanted to see your Figma designs come to life as interactive prototypes, this is the tool for you. Stick around as we walk through each step to make this process as seamless as possible. Let's begin our journey by heading over to Figma, the platform that brings design teams together in a cloud-based space where creativity knows no bounds. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, I highly recommend setting it up. It's free to start and it's a fantastic way to collaborate with team members in real time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your control center where you can access all your files and projects. From here, navigate to the designs that you're looking to convert into workable prototypes. Click on Drafts or wherever your design is located. Next, look for the action menu at the top of your design page. This part can feel a bit like a treasure hunt, but fear not. It's usually nestled within easy reach. Once you've located the menu, click on it and let the options unfold before you. The action menu is the gateway to plugging in those fabulous third-party add-ons like the one we are exploring today. Now in the search bar that appears, type Figma to Framer. It's crucial to get this right, so double check your spelling if necessary. This search will bring up the plugin we're interested in, the magical bridge between static design and dynamic interaction. When you find the option titled Figma to Framer, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new world of possibilities. With this tool, you'll transform those sharp, static designs into HTML with the potential for stunning interactivity, elevating your projects to professional presentations. Finally, you'll see a Run button. Give that a click and let the plugin do its thing. Behind the curtains, it's working hard to convert your design into a format perfect for Framer's interactive platform. That's it. You've now successfully used the Figma to Framer plugin, setting the stage for transforming your art into living, breathing digital experiences. As you grow more comfortable with the process, consider exploring more plugins and integrations Figma has to offer. They're useful tools that streamline the workflow and enhance the capabilities of your design processes. Thanks for joining us today. Happy designing and prototyping.